Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to convert work order to invoice in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. So this is the work order list of view, and if you want to create a new work order, so you can click on new button from here. But I have already created this one, so click on that. Now I will explain how to convert a work order to invoice to send your customer and integrate your financial system. So as you can see here, we have a work order and that we can see the status has been completed. So this is my service account bean to cup machine and work order type is heat bed sensor failure and incident type is this. And this is my work order number and all of other required field are filled out. Now click on product and services tab from here. So first we take a look for products. Because line status like when a product or service is added to a work order, the system creates a new work order, product or work order service record. By default, the status of that record is estimated. When a field technician actually uses the product or performs the service, they can change the status to used. And you can now bill the client for the used product or services. Let's say, so change the status from here to be used. Now click on use from here and same for services. Now click on services from here and change the status to be used. Now click on task tab from here. So it is been completed. Now again go back to the general tab. So first change the status to be posted. Now click on drop down and then click on posted from here and then click on save button from here. And in the background is going to generate the invoice their customer with the related to this work order. So this is the service area. Now change area from here as sales. Now click on invoices from here. So this invoice has been generated. So click on that and this is the invoice number. So this is my product and services and my invoice date is this. So if you want to add more information, so you can add it. Now click on confirm invoice button from here. So it would be pushed in the ERP system. And as you can see here, this invoice has been built and it become read only for editing. So in this video, we covered about what are work order, invoice, and how to convert a work order to invoice in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. Thanks for watching.